Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the um, mobile number that is provided on the channel. So we'll look into Beryl Road to Dunsany Road. So let's have a look. So that's what we have. So these are the 2 points. So like always, we are traveling from this green point to red point, just to show you this, and then we can just zoom in a bit and move it up. So looking at this green point, so firstly we need to go to the top because it's here, the red point. So this is a one way, so that means we can't go directly to towards this Fulham Road. So just click on this green, go straight, and come down, and then this way we'll be able to come down, and then you can take this road then, and we're going up from here, and then up from here, go this way, keep going straight, turn this way, and then from here. Okay, so it can't go this way because let's see, this is taking us back here, so we need to go up from here. So we'll just undo this change. So we'll go this way, and we can go up from here. Let's look at the point here. So yeah, we are on the right track, so keep on going up from here, and then you need to go up, because if I go this way, then this is a one way, so I won't be able to go towards this red point, so I need to keep on going up, and then from here I can turn towards this road or street, come here, and then we can come down to this point. So this is the most direct route. The only thing is here you can't go this way, you need to take a roundabout, and not roundabout, but you need to come back from here, take a turn, and also from here we can't go directly from here, but we need to go up a bit and then come down. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.